Is your car idling rough, losing power, or suddenly showing a check engine light? A faulty throttle position sensor could be the hidden cause. In this video, we'll cover what the TPS does, the most common warning signs of failure, and how you can diagnose the problem yourself. 1. What is a throttle position sensor? The throttle position sensor, commonly called the TPS, is a small but very important component in your vehicle's engine management system. Its job is to monitor how far the throttle plate opens whenever you press the accelerator pedal. As you press the pedal, the throttle opens and allows more air into the engine. The TPS measures this movement and sends the information to the Engine Control Module, ECM. The ECM then uses that data to determine the correct amount of fuel to inject and the proper ignition timing for smooth engine operation. Because the TPS directly affects fuel delivery and throttle response, a failing sensor can quickly lead to noticeable driving problems. Symptom number 1. Rough or unstable idle. One of the first signs of a bad TPS is an uneven or unstable idle. If the sensor sends incorrect throttle information, the ECM may deliver too much or too little fuel. As a result, the engine speed can fluctuate while the vehicle is stopped, causing vibrations, shaking, or a rough idle that doesn't feel normal. Symptom number 2. Loss of power. Another common symptom is a lack of power. Since the ECM relies on TPS data to calculate fuel delivery, an inaccurate signal can prevent the engine from responding properly when you press the accelerator. Your vehicle may feel sluggish, hesitate during acceleration, or fail to gain speed as expected. In some cases, it may even surge forward unexpectedly instead of delivering smooth, predictable power. Symptom number 3. Check engine light. A failing TPS can also trigger the check engine light. While this warning light can indicate many different problems, seeing it together with rough idling or poor acceleration strongly suggests a possible throttle position sensor issue. If these symptoms appear at the same time, it's a good idea to inspect the TPS before the problem becomes more serious. Why you should fix it early. A properly working TPS helps your engine respond smoothly every time you press the accelerator. It supports the correct air-fuel mixture, improves performance, and helps maintain good fuel efficiency. Ignoring symptoms like rough idle, reduced power, or a check engine light can eventually lead to more serious drivability problems and potentially higher repair costs. The good news is that you don't need to be a professional mechanic to identify many TPS-related problems. A portable OBD2 scanner can quickly read diagnostic trouble codes stored in your vehicle's computer. Simply plug the scanner into the OBD2 port and check for any throttle position sensor-related codes. Owning an OBD2 scanner can save time, reduce repair costs, and help you catch small problems before they become expensive repairs. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive repair tips and DIY troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.